All right, hey, what's going on, y'all? My name is Paul C. Tiarina. I'm a nutritional therapist and lifestyle and performance coach here in Las Vegas. I'm the creator and founder of the SHT, which maybe you can see the logo back here, right there. Stands for Superhuman Transformation. I'm excited to meet with you guys tomorrow and share a little bit about what we do as an organization. So tomorrow's meeting is going to be awesome. It's going to be an hour of power. We're going to cover our foundations for health and just give you a little bit of insight into the different things that we teach, like real food and sleep and mindfulness, and really just get a feel for where we feel like we can help you the most. You're going to give us some feedback and tell us where we can help you the most. And that will kind of decide where we move as far as future talks and seminars and progressions and stuff like that. And then you're going to walk away with some really useful and powerful information tomorrow. I have some handouts that I'm going to give you, and I'm going to cover some really interesting stuff that you can put into practice right away and start seeing some results with. Okay, so again, look forward to meeting you guys tomorrow. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out. Okay, we'll see y'all tomorrow.